I'm here to review a couple new Peaky hats, some of their summer collection, and man, I really like what I'm seeing. The cap I'm wearing right now is their Dudley Solo. I've already reviewed this hat on the channel in the past. This is a great, lightweight summer cap. Again, I feel like it was made for me. I really love this solo style of cap. Really tight on the sides, kind of like a military high and tight haircut with a little on the top there. Again, a really streamlined, flattering look. Today, I got this in the mail. This is the Peaky Hat Rev Solo. It's made out of a 50-50 Cotton-Flax blend, and the website says this is a leather brim, but I think it might be leatherette. I'm not sure. But a really nice lightweight cap. And I just love the fit and the way this one looks on me. Again, this is the Rev Solo. I can't tell you how comfortable this cap is. It's even more comfortable than the Dudley Solo. Again, it's this really light 50-50 flax cotton blend. It's got a mesh liner on the inside here. It's a really lightweight cap, and it's so comfortable on my head. This cap is going to get a lot of wear this summer, guaranteed, especially on some of my dog hikes and stuff. This will be a great cap for it. I like it so much I want to pick it up on in the other two colors they offer it in. They also offer it in a white with a white brim and a blue with a gray brim. Man. I can't recommend this one highly enough. Wow. Again, that's the Rev Solo from Peaky Hat. Again, I like the kind of aggressive lines that this cap has. Next cap is going to be the Aire and Camel. The Aire is a what is it made out of here? It's a hemp-polyester blend. You see, it's got some air holes here. It's got the mesh liner on the inside, which is kind of nice because it'll keep you the top of the hat, the sweat from soaking through it on this thin material. Again, wow, another great looking cap from Peaky Hat. I really like this one too. I like how clean and tight it is on the sides. I love the drape that the Peaky hats get in the front there. Again, just a really flattering, cool look. It's kind of a mix of the old school style with a little modern twist to it. Again, I'd like to pick this one up in a few other colors too. They offer it in 4 colors, black, brown, camel, and I think the other color is blue. I'm not quite sure. I'll have to take a look, but definitely want to pick this one up in black and possibly the brown. These are just great warm weather caps. Again, this is the Aire in Camel. I'll give you a look at the 3 different caps again so you can kind of compare them and see which one you like. That's the Aire. the Rev Solo. And this one is the Dudley Solo. All three caps are great looking caps. They all are have a very flattering look. I would say my favorite, boy, it's a toss up between the Rev Solo here and the Aire. You can't go wrong with either one. I would say if I have to rate them 1 to 3, these two are a tie for me. And this one's number 2. You can't go wrong with any of them though. Like, subscribe, and share. Hit that notification bell down below. You'll get email notifications when my new videos come out. Check out the Gentleman's Roundtable every 7:30 Central on Tuesdays. This Tuesday we're going to be doing our Father's Day special. And again, check out Peaky Hat. I especially love their solo caps, but all their caps are really nice. I highly recommend them. I've got several of their caps and wear them frequently on the channel. As far as summer caps go, any 3 of these is a good option. Like, subscribe, and share. See ya.
somewhere beyond the brim, beyond the smoke, and just past 7:30 p.m. Central. A gathering of gentlemen discussing Cap's culture and whatever else drifts into the night. The Gentleman's Round Table. Every Tuesday, 7:30 Central, 8:30 Eastern, where the conversation goes beyond the caps.
Hanging by the door were a dozen old caps, some faded, some looking brand new. One came down for fishing at sunrise, one for a hard day's work to do. One came down for backyard football, one for Sunday's family ride. Back then they were just hats on a hook, now I see the man inside. Some were stained by sweat and hard work, some were weathered by the years. Some carried laughter through the good times, some carried burdens through the tears. I thought they were just caps hanging by the door. Now I know they represented every role my father wore. Some were worn thin, some were worn proud, but everyone belonged to the man who showed me how.
I love you, Dad.
I love you, son.
Thanks for watching. Check out our merch store down below.
Mm-hmm.